Today on this windy day here on our Tennessee homestead, I'm going to be milling up some poplar that we're going to be using to build the mezzanine in the barn. I already have some of it milled right here, some 2x8s. I already have some 6x6s pressure treated that I purchased from the big box store. That's going to be used as the posts to support that mezzanine. I have one or two more logs I need to mill to get the rest of the 2x8s I need for that. You guys have all seen me do sawmill videos before, so I don't have to really explain what's going on here. I'm just going to jump right into it. If you're new here and you like these sort of videos, hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, so you get notified when we put out more of these videos. So without further ado, let's get milling. should hopefully be able to get at least 5 or 6 more boards out of that, and I got a couple more here, and I have 12 already here. I will actually, no, we already have 13 over here, and we should be able to get at least 7 or 8 more out of what we have left, between what we have left to mill there and the 2 offcuts that I'm going to edge afterwards. So enough yap yap, let's get to it. So I usually like to take the cant and flip it once I get close to the pith. And the pith is the center of the log, which is, in this case, right about there. So I probably should have flipped it before I cut that last board off. And the reason I do that is because the cant will actually start to bow. So it's already done that. Actually did it big time on this particular cut, and I'll go back and show you. I'll see if I can zoom in and show you where you can see that happen. As I finished cutting, you could see the ends of the boards kind of pop up, and what's happened here is the 2 ends are curled down, and the top is kind of bowed up. Because of that, I like to take the log and flip it, and then I'll cut it, make 1 or 2 cuts, flip it again, and I'll even sometimes take the blade and run it across the top. So I'll make a cut and just kind of skim it, and that kind of evens out the next board. So this way when I make that next cut, the thickness is more consistent. So let's get back and finish this one up. So you'll see me flip it back and forth, and this way you'll know why. I'm going to pick these 2 boards up, which were a couple of the first cuts that we got off the log, put them back up on the sawmill, and we're just going to trim the edges off and try to get 2 more 2x8s out of those. All we needed was 18, which that stack already has, which means these 3 are going to be bonus. So let's get these wrapped up so we can get all of the wood we need for the mezzanine. First thing we need to do is empty the sawdust from the sawmill. Now I'll show you what we do with that. These guys love it. Great for keeping their pen drier. They like to dig around in it. And it helps soak up all the nasty stuff in their pen. That one's eating it. And they are conveniently located right near the sawmill. Enjoy, guys. We have 7 rows times 3 boards. We needed 18 1x8s, 12 feet long, or not 1x8s, 2x8s. So now that we got that wood milled for the mezzanine, next thing we'll be milling will be wood for the next chicken coop and for a greenhouse. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And you can do that by hitting the subscribe button down below. And then you hit the bell button to be notified when we put out more videos. It's crazy. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And I appreciate you guys being here as always. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all this new content. There's quite a bit coming. I'm going to try to put out at least a few videos a week, and then in between those I'm going to put some YouTube shorts in there just to kind of give you a little sneak peeks on some of the stuff we're doing. Have fun, stay safe, be cool. Peace. Well, there we got it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go get Ryan, and we're going to clean things up here. No, probably not. But you'll still see plenty of sawmilling videos. If you're new here, please consider